She's a bit temperamental because she wants a fella.
Yeah, oh, does
fair.
she?
Today's going to be so exciting for the cat show with my friends. I'm just ready to see some cute cats that aren't just my cat.
Okay.
Oh, he's gorgeous. If I didn't have my cat, I'd have this cat.
Yeah.
Like, I love Orientals.
My breed of choice.
Yeah, he's gorgeous. What's different about Oriental cats?
They're very peeply.
Yeah.
So
Very vocal.
they're very vocal. They need affection all the time. They sleep on you. They sit with you. He walks around on my shoulder.
I love your eyeshadow, everything, the makeup.
Yeah.
Eyeliner.
Cat
So cute, so
Yeah,
cute. Oh, there's little trinkets for the cats. Oh, yes, please.
She's an Aussie cat.
Aussie cat, okay.
She's so pretty.
Ocelot.
No, but that is where the sort of name does come from. One of the cats came out spotted, and the lady's daughter apparently thought it looked a bit like an ocelot.
Okay.
So she said, "Let's call it an Aussie
Do you
cat."
have lovely big eyes like
Yeah.
an ocelot, don't you?
Yeah, and later the American Shorthair got added to the mix and gave it sort of more muscle.
Stockier.
Yeah. And that's how the Aussie cat got.
Ooh.
She's not hissing people really.
It's the other cat,
It's
yeah.
when she sees other pussycats.
Thank you. Oh, baby boys. Is it a boy or a girl?
Yeah, boy. This is the girl.
I'm gonna cry.
Oh, Siberian.
Siberian. What a beauty.
The kind of woodlands of Russia.
Oh.
They've got like
Triple coated coat.
triple coats, and they'll be warm in the snow.
Oh, you're so gorgeous.
She's a bit temperamental because she wants a fella.
Yeah.
Oh,
does
fair.
she?
Ava. Oh, this is. I want her now. Is she called Linda?
No, I'm Linda.
Oh, hi Linda, nice to meet you, Linda.
No, she's Precious.
Precious. Oh, makes sense. So, and the
Not really, it's Diva, but I call her Precious.
Diva. I love that.
So he's the youngest cat at the show.
Oh, baby boy. Baby boy.
Oh my goodness.
Oh. And you guys are matching.
Yeah.
So cute.
Markings.
Oh, wow. What's his name?
His name's Rocket.
Rocket.
Rocket
Oh.
is gorgeous.
Rocket, you're so cute.
Spotty belly.
Oh my goodness.
You're so. Oh my gosh. I know. This is a lot.
This is what her name is, Bobo. But her breeder name is Zazirag Zinelli, my name Barbosa.
What's the name of the colour of this one?
It's a silver smoke.
Silver smoke, wow. Stunning.
Whereas black, the actual official term would be black smoke, but we call her silver.
Oh, how old is she?
She was 1 on Thursday.
Oh, she's so cute. Silver Smoke, you know. What's her name?
Penelope.
Penelope, that's such a nice name. Oh, Penelope, you're so cute. started? Oh my gosh, it started. Yeah.
Might get back to
Oh.
Us down.